Want to build your own cyber deck? These things have been trending lately. People are just basically building their own laptops, which I think is just so sick. Hi, I'm Sage. I'm an electrical engineering student at Stanford, and today I want to show you how to build your own. At its core, a cyber deck is made up of 5 subsystems. Let's go through all of them. Compute system is like your brain. Most builds use a single board computer like a Raspberry Pi. Think of it as a motherboard of a laptop with all the stuff on top stripped away. It's perfect because you can build your own enclosure while maintaining the laptop functionality. And if you're going to buy your own, I would recommend a Raspberry Pi with around 2 to 4 gigabytes of RAM. Next, the display. A common choice is an HDMI LCD screen, ideally 1024 by 600 resolution for your main display, but you can go to lower resolutions for your secondary displays. If you want to go fancy and have a touchscreen, look for words like capacitive touch when buying displays. Then, what engineers call IOs, input-outputs. Basically how a person interacts with your cyber deck, like quirky keyboards like this, or control buttons. But make sure that they are compatible with your Raspberry Pi before buying them. You also need to think about power. You'll probably need around 5 volts of power. The main 2 options here are a laptop brick with a voltage converter to get down to 5 volts, or a LiPo battery because LiPo batteries are rechargeable with battery management system and a voltage booster. But be careful because if you don't know what you're doing, you could burn things. Finally, the enclosure. So this is where your creativity can shine. You can 3D print, use acrylic, wood, even thrift for vintage cases. Honestly, whatever you want to build, scrolling through Pinterest will give you lots of good inspiration. And just like with any engineering project, you want to work through steps iteratively so you're not debugging the entire system and facing just a nightmare. So here's what I would tell you to do. Once you're done with those 4 steps, you can add any software customization that you want. Make it super quirky and cool. Thanks for watching. Also, I build hardware projects and explain how I build them. So if you're interested in more content like this, give me a follow.